Hey guys, it's Claudia and we are back with another video. This video is going to be a little vlog style, but since I am bored in the quarantine, and if you guys saw my video on 50 things to do when you're bored, one of them was to do a room clean out and closet clean out, and I haven't cleaned my makeup out in, I can't even think of how long it was ago. Look how disgusting it looks. Get rid of things in my jewelry, and I would also like to do another closet clean out. So I just cleaned out my closet like a few days ago and I brought a lot of stuff to Goodwill, but I feel like I didn't clean it good enough, and I just think it just needs to be cleaner, and I think more things need to get rid of. And also just to clean my room a little bit, it's a little bit decluttered, and I was thinking about almost even moving stuff around because I think that would be kind of cool. Maybe we'll do like a little room makeover while we're at it, because I mean, it's a Saturday, and this is the first Saturday where I woke up and I had nothing to do and no plans, so this is a Saturday for you in the life of quarantine. Alright, so I got you guys down here, and I already have a bag filled with like makeup and different beauty products that I've been collecting in here over the past few weeks and stuff that I need to get rid of, but I never really went through my drawers that good. This is from like my bathroom and stuff. I also have some cleaning supplies here. I really don't want to ruin my new manicure that I got for vacation, which got canceled, so yeah. But I haven't really cleaned these drawers in so long because it's so hard to clean acrylic because it gets ruined if you clean it bad. But I first need to go through the makeup and take everything out and then clean the drawer and so on. So yeah, I'm going to put you guys probably on like fast mode while I do that. Also, sometimes there's just like random stuff in my makeup drawers, like this one right here, like there's like tape because of like the outline of the lines of my eyes, and there's like headbands and stuff. Yeah, that's all going to come out because why should that be in there? And all my palettes I would like to clean off as well. Alright guys, I don't know if you saw that, but I got rid of so many foundation products that were old and that I did not use anymore, but now we gotta clean out this drawer. Now we got a big one, but all of the makeup over here is the makeup that I'm keeping, and this is all stuff that I am giving away or throwing out because it's just way too old. But now we're going into the Lush and bronzer and highlighter drawer. Now we're going into some eyes, and yeah, it's a heavy one here. And clean out time. Alright, now on to the lippy drawer, which is going to be probably my hardest one because there's so many lip products, but I do need to pass on a lot because they are older. But I have two palettes on the top. I will keep this Urban Decay one, and this BH Cosmetics one, I guess I will keep. Let's go through it. Makeup drawers are actually right here. I will position you to show them, and they're all the clear ones and they're all cleaned out. I cleaned them all, deep cleaned them, so all the makeup's off on this tripod. And I got rid of so much makeup. I am so proud of myself, guys. Like, this bag is now filled to the brim, and it's super heavy, filled with makeup. A lot of it I am going to throw away. I'm going to separate it, and then some of it I will give to people. So now I'm going to put all of the makeup back into the clean drawers, but in an organized way. So I'll have you guys on fast mode for that. We're going to start from the top. And the bottom drawer on the bottom, which I didn't do, is just kind of like a junk drawer. I just kind of organized it though, so it's not too junky. Alright guys, so I just put all the makeup back and you know, you guys saw. And oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever seen my makeup drawers this clean and organized. So this is really satisfying. So I'm going to show you guys kind of like a whole after. They just look so nice. So if you look, that's how the finished product is. Oh my gosh, the drawers just look so much clearer and everything is just so much like neater. Like look at that. So nice and so satisfying. It's going to motivate me to use more of my products, and now I know which ones I have. So it's been like an hour or two later, I know, and I've been just kind of chilling in my little leather couch and just watching outside. I don't know why, it was just a very peaceful past hour. And this is the little setup. It's this little couch and I was just like looking out the window. I will start to finish the cleaning and everything. I was gonna upload these clips so far and then see what other things we're gonna do. Alrighty, now on to the closet, which like I said, I already cleaned out. And of course, like yesterday, not thinking I was gonna do this video, I created a bag of even more clothes. So I have like this hoodie I'm not really going to wear, and then there's just like some sweaters and tops in there, which some of the stuff is actually still like kind of trendy, so I'm gonna give some to my friends or bring to like Plato's Closet. But yeah, I think I need to go through one more time everything and see if I can get rid of anything else, because this is the perfect time to do it. Just got rid of these 3 items, like this Sherpa and then 2 of these like little sweatshirts. And now I'm just gonna kind of clean up there a little bit, maybe organize them a little bit better. I don't know why, but every time I neatly put my sweatshirts up there, if I just grab one out, all of them just kind of get messed up. But I have to stay on a little stool here. Alright, I think it looks a little bit better. I kind of tried to make them look better. I don't know. And now I have some little drawers down here because I have way too many clothes. But I know that there's like some pajamas in here that I just don't really wear anymore in summer. Just too small on me. So I do need to give them away. These are where I keep my pajama bottoms. Yeah, I know for a fact these ones are a little snug on me. So we have tops over here. This is just overflowing. This I just feel like is really getting old. I don't really wear it anymore. I don't need this. Alright, that's kind of cute. I think everything else down there is pretty good. And now I'm just going to go through like my hangered things now again and see if there's anything else that I am going to be able to toss. I just got rid of so many things and I'm so happy with myself for doing it. So I just took out and folded everything that was in my to Goodwill or friend bag, and I just laid everything out so I can fold everything so whoever gets them will get it nicely. But this is just like progress. I got rid of some sweaters that I have not worn in like 2 winters, some sweatshirts, I have so many, and then some tops that I haven't worn in literally years, and then some pajamas that I'm just a little bit outgrown of. So I will kind of decide where these go. I would definitely call myself very accomplished right now. And I feel like I'm like missing something. I feel like I want to do something like really cool in my room, but like I just don't know what that is yet. I need some like inspiration. Also, why not light a candle? I've been loving this candle right now from Bath & Body Works. It's lavender marshmallow. First of all, isn't it so cute? There's little macaroons on it. It smells really, really good. And I thought, why not put this on for some nice aromas. I feel like I'm going to be burning lots of candles during this quarantine. Hey my chicas, it is actually the next day and today is going to be another productive day. Yesterday I just didn't really get to finish the stuff I wanted to do with my room, but today we're going to finish. I think I'm going to change stuff around today, and I'm also going to vacuum and do some other little cleaning things. But I got one of my new Nike tops on that I had in my haul video, so you guys should go watch that. I did a little spring break haul. But now I'm going to get coffee, even though like it's in the quarantine. I really wanted coffee because I want an iced latte really bad. So I'm going to treat myself as it's happy hour at Dunkin', only $2. Alright, so I got you on my vlog camera. I know the quality just like went a major difference. I got my little Sherpa vest on. Alright, yeah, we are going to head out and go to the dump. So guys, we're on the way, and like I'm honestly really depressing right now because I wish I can just like jam out to some music with you guys. Like I just wish it could happen, but then this video would probably be blocked in countries and it would probably be like taken down by copyright. This guy named Audi just made a Yui in front of me. Like what? So in fact yesterday I got this mocha iced latte from, I think I got it around 5-ish maybe, and it was only $2 because it was happy hour. And now I'm just like, well, I need to go for more happy hours because it's this cheap and like I'm so bored. And got my mocha iced latte and it tastes very good. Now we're just gonna head back home because what else is there to do? Okay, so some time has passed since the latte, and we just found out that tomorrow Ohio is going to be going into a lockdown, so pray for me. I just was kind of thinking like, wow, my makeup drawers, we cleaned them all, but like the top still looks like cluttered. So I just spent the last few hours like doing this, wasn't even thinking that like it was gonna be film worthy because I didn't know if it was gonna work. But so what I did is I just took this mirror that like used to like stood up, and I kind of broke it apart and then just put it as like a tray, put my perfumes on it. I put some jewelry in here, and I took apart this big acrylic thing that was sitting on top of there because it was just kind of too big and it was just too much, and now it looks just so much like cleaner. And I was just cleaning out my jewelry, got rid of some, and then I just kind of like arranged this organizer where I still don't know where to put. So that is what I've been doing, but I am going to be changing my room around I think tonight, so that's what I'm going to be filming last on it. But I first need to vacuum my floors, so I'm going to go get the Alrighty, so it's gonna be kind of hard to explain like my room transformation, but I have a window right here. I'm gonna show you guys. I have a window, and what I want to do is I want to move my bed, which is like kind of over here, more to like this side, so where my dresser is. I want my bed to be, and then my dresser will go on like that wall probably, so I could see like my window from my bed. I don't know, that's kind of like my vision. That's what I kind of want. Alright, so now I'm going to just give you guys a little bit of a before and what my room looks like. I know since I've like moved here, you guys probably haven't even got really a room tour at all. So I'm going to show you how it's going to originally look and then after the transformation. So you just start over here. Here's the door, and then I have this little rack. And then I have this long mirror right here with this little rug. And then when you go this way, I just have a little nightstand, I have a little dream catcher, and then this is my bed. And then over here is just like my dresser and makeup vanity area. And then there's a window and this little couch, and then it goes into my closet, which the doors are open right now. And then I have a desk right here, which needs to be cleaned up. What I need to start probably by doing is taking everything off my dresser, moving that out, then I can move my bed to the side, and then so on from there. Oh my, has this taken me a while. I've been changing and changing and changing. I just did not figure out how I liked it. I still don't know if I even like this setup. I'm just gonna try with it. So I'm gonna put like all my like decor up and then see how it looks. Alright guys, it has been a while and I want to show you guys the finished product. I really was just doing this for like a new space and just for some new inspiration and just kind of new setting in my room, which I think I accomplished definitely not in the vision from the beginning, but it adjusted to this and I think I'm going to work with it. It's only a little bit more cleaning to do, but I'll show you guys what I accomplished, and my back hurts right now from moving all these heavy objects. So alright, so as you walk in through the door, of course you have my desk here, which is just a little bit messy, but we have that little rack, we have my mirror. This is just stuff I'm going to be giving away, and then I have to organize, and that bag's stuff I'm giving away. And then we have my couch that is right here, which I still need to put something cool up on the wall. And then over here I have my vanity space, and then I go into my dresser. I have my dream catcher still up, which I don't know if I'm going to move that, and those couture photos. And then there's a little nightstand over here, my bed right here, and kind of half the windows in it. I know it's dark right now, so it's can't really see. And then over here I have this rack that needs cleaned up, and just kind of another little open area, and then my closet. So I feel like the room just kind of looks a little bit bigger. I don't know exactly how I like the feel of it yet, but I'm happy to try out something new, and I still have to play with the walls a little. Alright guys, it has been a long day of moving stuff around because I've been doing that for hours, but I think that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did some spring cleaning, some moving around, you know, got rid of a lot of things, so I'm happy about that. But I hope this inspired you to clean your room or to make some productivity time out of all of this time that we are off, so in quarantine or whatever you guys are doing. But like, use this time to be productive and maybe create a new space for yourself if you are really bored like I was. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel at ClaudiaKC972, and make sure you guys are following my social media accounts at ClaudiaKC972. Alright, I love you guys all so much, and bye chicas. Mwah.